This is Mr. Islam Yusuf. In this tutorial we are talking about solving compound inequalities. What is the meaning of compound inequalities? Compound inequality, it means the inequality that contains two signs of the inequalities. It means the variable at the middle is more than an expression and less than the other number. Like the first one, -2 less than or equal x minus 3 less than 4. So to solve this inequality we need to remove the number which is beside x. To remove the number which is beside x we use the inverse operation. It means we need to add 3 by adding 3 to each term. So -2 plus 3 equals to +1 less than or equal x minus 3 plus 3, so we'll cancel 3. So the remainder now will be x. Less than 4 plus 3 equal to 7. To graph the inequality, we have two numbers. That is the first one, which is 1. The second number, which is 7. X more than or equal to 1. Because more than or equal, it means this sign will be closed. And less than 7. So this one will be open. Because x is more than 1 and less than 7, so we'll share the part which is between them. Number 2. 6 less than or equal r plus 7 less than 10. So by solving we will subtract 7. By subtracting 7. So 6 minus 7 equal to -1 less than or equal r less than 10 minus 7 equal to 3. So we have r now at the middle between -1 and 3. Start writing the smallest number at the left and the greatest number at the right. R more than or equal to -1, it means -1 now will be closed. Less than 3, it means 3 will be open. Then share the part between them. Number 3. Y minus 3 more than or equal to -11. And y minus 3 less than or equal to -8. Now we need to solve by adding 3 for the first part. So y is more than or equal -11 plus 3 equal to -8. The second part by adding 3. Then y is less than or equal -8 plus 3 equal to -5. We can find a number which is more than -8 and less than -5. So we can write the inequality as y more than -8 and less than or equal to -5. So the graph of the inequality by graphing the number line, that's -8, -5, that will be closed, -5 will be closed, then the shaded part between them. Now with the problem solving. The human ear can only detect the sound between the frequencies 20 Hertz to 20,000 Hertz. Write and graph a compounded inequality that describes the frequency of the sound that humans cannot hear. Now we need to translate this problem to the mathematical sentence. So any human can hear between 20 and less than 20,000. It means he will not hear anything less than or equal to 20, and he will not hear anything is more than or equal to 20,000. So to graph the inequality, that's 20 and that's 20,000. He will not hear 20 and less, 20,000 and more. A company is manufacturing an action figure that must be at least 11.2 centimeter and at most 11.4 centimeter tall. Write and graph a compounded inequality that describes how tall that the action can be. Now we need the action, which is x. It must be at least it means more than or equal 11.2 and at most 11.4, it means less than or equal to 11.4. So to graph the inequality now will be, that is the first number, which is 11.2, and that is the second number, which is 11.4. More than or equal, so this will be closed. Less than or equal, so this will be closed, and share the part between them.